Hello and welcome to one and all. My name is Laksha Jolly and I am an intern at Lexis & Co. I am a third year law student at New Law College, Pune, and the topic for the day is the Constitution 127th Amendment Bill 2021. On August 9, 2021, the Minister of Social Justice and Empowerment, Dr. Virendra Kumar, introduced the Constitution 127th Bill Amendment 2021 in the Lok Sabha. The bill modifies the constitution and allows states and union territories to create their own list of socially and educationally disadvantaged people. Historically speaking, reservation of caste is essential in the Indian society, and it is because of the extreme polarities and contestations between the state and the judiciary. The 120th Amendment Bill has a history which is connected to both National Commission to Backward Classes (NCBC) Act 1993 and 102nd Amendment, which gave the constitution status to NCBC throughout the 102nd Constitutional Amendment, gave forth three major changes. Article 338B was introduced in the Constitution, which sought to give National Commission for Backward Classes (NCBC) constitutional status and broaden the scope of NCBC's operation, which were largely similar to the scope of NVCR's National Commission on Scheduled Castes and Scheduled Tribes under Articles 338 and 338A respectively. The Constitution was amended to include Article 342A, which outlined the procedures for identifying socially and educationally backward classes (SEBCs), which closely mirrored the procedure outlined in Article 341 and Article 342. Article 366 was amended to include Clause 26C, which defined SEBCs. Such backward classes are so deemed under 342A for the purpose of the Constitution. The bill and the 102nd Amendment are combined together, render constitutional status upon the NCBC. They further confer expanded powers over the body. This kind of movement remains consonant with the constitutional history. The NCBC Act 1993 was enacted before the Supreme Court directed the government to establish a permanent body to examine requests for inclusions of complaints of over-inclusion and under-inclusion at the central list of other backward classes in its judgment in Indra Sawhney and others versus Union of India 992. OBCs. Even though under 338 Article subsection 10 of the Constitution, the National Commission for Scheduled Caste was in charge of handling OBC grievances and allegations of discrimination. Following that, National Commission of Scheduled Caste advised in its 2014-15 annual report that the handling of SEBC grievances under 338.10 be delegated to NCBC instead. As a result, this move appears to be understandable. When debating that the parameters of Article 338B, however, an interesting discussion ensues. Subsection 9. The Article 338B, Section 9 of the Constitution, as amended by the 102nd Amendment, mandated that the union of each state and government to consult the NCBC on all key points concerns that affecting the SEBC's state government to consult the NCBC on all key points. In his minority decision, the Maratha reservation case, Justice Ashok Bhushan held that the provision mandates consultation of all states with the NCBC. Consultation that will not be the same as concurrence must be meaningful, effective, with all relevant materials and information placed before the Commission. The amendment bill, however, inserts provision to Section 9, says that provided that nothing shall apply to purpose of Clause 3 of the Article 342A. Article 342 is the second major modification, as briefly mentioned above. The 102nd Amendment will insert Article 342A, which established a mechanism for identifying SEBCs similar to that scheduled caste and scheduled tribes, and Central maintains the Parliament law to exclude SEBCs from the central list of SEBCs by law. Justice Bhushan explained the reservation in his minority and modifications allowed Dr. B.R. Ambedkar's reasoning in Constituent Assembly. The list of scheduled castes was to be specified the executive under the clause 26 of Schedule 1 of the Government of India Act 1935. However, a review of the Constituent Assembly surrounding draft Articles 300A and 300B, which correspond to 341 and 342 of the Indian Constitution, revealed that Ambedkar added the provision regarding Parliament's oversight to eliminate any kind of political factor having to play in the matter of disturbance of schedules so that be published by the President. Similarly, while the list was defined by the Government of India in the NCBC Act 993, Act were also executive in orders to issued from time to time. The list once set by the President under Article 342A(1) cannot be tinkered by except by a parliamentary enactment of 102nd Amendment. The list was issued by the President in Article 342 subsection 1 cannot be tinkered with except any parliamentary enactment. This modified article doesn't appear to have any parameter in the Articles 341 and 342 as it to restore the government decision and Supreme Court decision, the constituent of the bench of class 7 judges for consideration. That was all for Constitution Amendment 127th Amendment Bill 2021. Thank you and have a great day.